So we want to find the value of x in this equation. We have 2 to the power of root x or equal to 8 to the power of x. So we want to find x. So, but 8 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 root x or equal to 2 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of x. But remember or recall, when you have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is the same thing as a to the power of mn. So from here, we have 2 to the power of root x or equal to 2 to the power of 3 times x. We then have 3x. But also remember, but recall, when a to the power of m minus a to the power of n, this implies what? M equal to n. So since we are having this, we take the powers root x equal to 3x. So we have root x equal to 3x. When we square both sides, root x all squared equal to 3x all to the power of 2. So from here, when we square both sides, we have x equal to 9x squared. So moving this to the left hand side, we have 9x squared minus x or equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can actually find x using the quadratic formula. So we have x as equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our a is equal to 9. Our b is equal to minus 1. And our c is equal to 0. So imputing these values here, we have x equal to b is minus 1. We have minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 all squared minus 4 times 9 times 0 or equal to 2 times 9. So this is x equal to 1 plus or minus root 1 minus 4 times 0 is 0 or over 2 times 9 is 18. X equal to 1 plus or minus root 1 minus 0 or over 18. So from here, this is 1 plus or minus root 1 over 18, which implies that 1 plus or minus 1 over 18. So x is equal to 2 over 18 or 0 over 18, which simply means that s is equal to 1 over 9 or 0. So we are going to be verifying these two figures. We have 2 to the power of root x or equal to 8 to the power of x. So if we are to verify when x is equal to 1 over 9, when x is equal to 1 over 9, we have 2 root 1 over 9 or equal to 8 to the power of 1 over 9. So taking the square root of this, we have 2 to the power of 1 over 3 equal to 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3 further raised to the power of 1 over 9. So this is 2 to the power of 1 over 3 or equal to 3 times 1 over 9. We have 2 to the power of 1 over 3. So taking the exponent, we have 1 over 3 equal to 1 over 3. Hence, left hand side equals the right hand side. So we'll verify with the last one, which is 0. So we've confirmed. So we've actually confirmed that when x is equal to 1 over 9, the left hand side will equal to the right hand side. So let's verify for the second one. So when x is equal to 0, we have 2 to the power of 0 or equal to 8 to the power of 0. So this is root 0 is 0 and 8 to the power of 0. So this is the same as any power raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 1 equal to 1. So the left hand side as well, left hand side equals right hand side. So the solution for this problem is x equal to -1, x is equal to 1/9 or 0. So this is our answer.